Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix login not available right now on WhatsApp. So in order to fix your issue, first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. From here, tap on the option of search at the bottom right corner. Now go to the search bar and simply search for WhatsApp. Here we go. Now tap on WhatsApp Messenger application on top. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. Once you update the application, major bug issues or app errors will be fixed. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that open settings on your mobile devices. From here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for WhatsApp. Once you come on App Info page, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to solve your problem. So, try following these easy steps and your problem will be fixed in no time. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.